What's up, everyone? It's your boy Terry. We're back. Yes, we are back. Star, collision, body. That's right. We're getting ready to put. Hold on a sec. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. Yo, we got some good music going up in here. So, first of all, I want to say thank you guys for everyone, everyone, for throwing their ideas in the hat for the type of color I should paint this car. It's not too late because we're starting to do some more body work. We're gonna introduce a lot more sanding. As you can see at the bottom, it was at my house for about 3 weeks, and I terrorized it. Basically, I had molding, holes where the molding was. I'm not gonna be using it. But now the car is back, and thank you again for all the color ideas, and we're gonna use some of them. But I got a question. I got a lot of questions. They're like, hey, Terry, what's up with the orange in the front of your car? That's been a question that's been going on since I built this car. Okay, I tell you, when I first got this car going, right, I jabbed this car the color, that orange. I liked it at the time. That was like 8 years ago. That's a GTO color, a 2006 GTO color called Brazen Orange, and that's the color I wanted the car. But 8-year-older Terry wants a different color. Reason being, because if you remember, I got a Le Mans that I'm gonna make into a GTO, 69 GTO. I like that GTO orange. But being that I'm gonna upgrade my GTO with an LS engine and 2006 GTO seats in the 1969 Le Mans, my man Gil, get ready. And Gil, get ready for this. So I felt that color should go on that GTO. And that's why we're trying to get a new color for this car. So again, keep them coming, because I really appreciate it. And we're gonna pick a color, and like I said, it's here now, so in a couple of days, the car is going to be painted, and of course, I'm going to reveal the color to you. But then, of course, you remember when I told you Chris got more splotches? Look at this. I come in here, right? Look, let's look at back there. I don't know if he did that on purpose or not. He opens it up for me so I can see more colors. But still, I want to thank you guys for joining me on this mission. And like I said, keep the colors coming. I love some of the combinations, and we're actually trying some of them out. So, as always, please be easy. It's your boy, Terry, heading on out. They play some country music up in here, and it's kind of cool. All right, so until we see each other, always be easy, and I'll talk with you later. Take care.